Hello everyone, my name is Brian Diaz, founder and CEO of Diaz Tech Solutions, and today I'd like to share why Diaz Tech Solutions is a great place to build your careers. Over the last few months, our company has experienced rapid growth due to increased customer demand. I am excited to announce that today we are opening our company to new members, and I invite you to become part of our continued success. Diaz Tech Solutions is a technology services company focused on expanding internet coverage in homes and businesses. We specialize in structured cabling, security access systems, Wi-Fi deployments, and professional network installations. This includes specialized information technology infrastructure for businesses. Our mission is to help homeowners and businesses stay connected through reliable, secure, and efficient technology systems. We are expanding our operations and need talented professionals looking to build rewarding careers in the IT infrastructure and networking industry. We are currently hiring for 5 full-time positions. The first position is the network installation and cabling technician, responsible for installing, terminating, and testing Cat6 cables, network switches, and wireless access points. This technician not only performs the installation but also ensures the quality of the work meets company standards. The second position is the network engineer, who is responsible for designing, configuring, and troubleshooting the network infrastructure and security systems. They also offer technical guidance for installation projects. The third position is the administrative assistant, responsible for tasks such as scheduling, communicating with customers, handling invoicing, managing project documentation, and overseeing general office functions. This role is essential for ensuring the seamless operations of daily business activities. The fourth position is the social media and marketing coordinator, responsible for managing our social media channels by creating content, promoting completed projects, and engaging with customers online. This position will also support the growth of the Diaz Tech Solutions brand. The last position we are hiring is for the help desk and technical support specialist. This individual will assist customers troubleshooting networks and Wi-Fi issues and support system maintenance. The support specialist will ensure a positive customer experience and maintain high satisfaction levels after installation. As Diaz Tech Solutions continues to expand, we have moved into new headquarters designed to foster a workplace while employees feel motivated, supported, and excited to come to work. Our goal is to make Diaz Tech Solutions not just a place employees have to come to work, but genuinely want to come each day. Our officers use an open plan layout with open seating and lounging areas. Instead of forcing everybody into cubicles, we encourage our employees to communicate and collaborate, which fosters creativity. When an employee needs time to themselves or is working on a project that requires their full attention, we have created privacy zones with soundproof booths to minimize distractions. We made sure our offices are filled with ample natural light and equipped with ergonomic workstations, including sit-stand desk, to keep you comfortable and energized throughout the day. To support our employees' growth in the industry, we have created a networking innovation lab equipped with the latest routers, switches, access points, and other networking gear. Our employees can use the space to develop their skills and prepare for industry certifications such as the CompTIA Networking Plus exam. We also use the space to let our employees test new equipment and get hands-on training before introducing it to customers. As with an open plan layout, we encourage our employees to use the space and their time in the office to work with one another, find the best solutions for their equipment, and collaborate to solve problems. The well-being of our employees is a major concern, which is why we have secured a location that allows us to create a wellness lounge and an outdoor patio where they can relax and recharge. We aim to provide our employees with opportunities to balance productivity with relaxation and social spaces. Our location is in the heart of the community with fast food and sit-down restaurants, grocery stores, coffee shops, and a fitness center located within the immediate vicinity. Diaz Tech Solutions strives to foster an environment that produces creativity, innovation, and employee success. Not only do we want our work environments to be the key reason to work with us, but we also want to incentivize our employees with special perks. We provide our employees with paid industry certifications such as CompTIA A+, Security Plus, and Network Plus, and also send them to Ubiquity classes covering hotel and meal expenses. We also provide flexible work schedules with a hybrid approach, allowing our employees to work from home and enhance their work-life balance. Employees can also participate in our employee ownership program, which includes profit sharing, bonuses, and equity opportunity, allowing them to share directly with the company's success. We also love to recognize our employees through our employee recognition program, which offers bonuses, awards, and advancement opportunities. Our culture greatly contributes to Diaz Tech Solutions' success, which is why we actively promote innovation, teamwork, and ongoing learning. We build trustworthy and respectful environments by hosting regular team dinners, either with catering or at local restaurants, all sponsored by the companies. These gatherings not only enhance collaboration, but also help team members get better acquainted. Our goal is to make a positive impact not only through our work, but also within our communities. To support this, we foster a culture of volunteering by encouraging employees to engage in community service through company organized volunteer events. As Diaz Tech Solutions continues to expand, we are seeking motivated individuals who not only want to find a great place to work, but who are also passionate about our mission and committed to helping create an innovative workplace. Having learned about our exciting career opportunities, workplace environment, employee benefits, and company culture, I hope you will consider joining our growing team. Thank you for taking the time to learn about Diaz Tech Solutions. We look forward to hearing from you and hope to welcome you to our team as we continue building a more connected future.